Will you stop struggling? It's not gonna get you anywhere. Listen, you're tied up, literally chained to the wall inside of a cage. A caught bird, so to speak. You're not going anywhere. And as soon as the boss comes, you're gonna get killed. Well, you snuck into an enemy base, tried to steal intel, and you got caught by me. Trank darts are pretty effective when your target is busy looking at something else. One little dart and you're out for half an hour. 10 minutes to tie you up, 10 more to move you, and lock and chain you up. And now that you're awake, the boss has been called already. Who's my boss? Oh, you'd want to know that, don't you? I'm not about to tell a spy who I work for. That's plain stupid. No, you're going to sit right there, and I'm not going to tell you anything. Why I called the boss? Well, it's just the rules. You can't expect this base to run if we've got people shooting others in the name of the boss, rather than actually following a set of rules. There's no base this size that runs on the pure anarchy of security guards doing whatever the hell they want. That's just idiotic. Yeah, that's how it works. When we see a threat, we subdue and take them here. That's what's written in the contract. That's what we do, because we're being paid to do that, exactly. But that's enough questions. We're just going to sit here and wait for the boss. Wait, how did you... How did you escape? No, you were tied up, according to protocol. I did everything by the books. Wait, what? You're the boss's boss? Why did you come here? Aren't you busy with, like, ordering around all the other bases? Oh, a mutual test. What's that? Oh, that's smart. You test your skills, and when you get caught, you test the guards. Wow, that's really smart. Oh, yeah, I can help. The boss is on his way here. He usually takes the elevator. There's a ladder too, so you can get past him. We've got duels of guards on all the lower levels. 5 duels on each floor. The higher floors only have single guards. The boss's main office is on floor -10. I suppose you're keeping me here to make the boss put the base in high vigilance mode? Yeah, they're the high vigilance mode. Double the guards, faster rounds to take. Everyone keeps a hand on their lethal pistols too. But that's more nervousness than the actual protocol being followed. Well, I mean, I could call it in as a false alarm if you want, to keep testing on the normal goings of the base. Okay, got it. Just untie me and I'll call it in. Should I go on break or return to my rounds? Thanks, boss. Wait, should I call you boss or higher boss? Big boss it is. Thanks for the early break, big boss. Big boss. Big boss. Thanks for the big boss.